Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You join the yard sale and immediately prepare focused inventory. Select your tradable items, note rarity and condition, and take a quick screenshot for proof. Once that's done, message the seller and open the trade window. You want a small test offer to confirm connection and trust. You do this to avoid surprises and to prove the items exist. Make sure to keep chat concise, show item photos, and confirm both sides see the trade before you escalate to higher value offers. You now focus on negotiation. Start by referencing recent sale prices and demand to justify your offer, because informed trades reduce disputes. Once you propose a swap, make a balanced offer, for example, one high-value item versus 2 or 3 mid-value items, and explain why that's fair. While negotiating, update the trade window to reflect each tentative agreement so both sides can visually confirm changes. Once done, pause and let the other player inspect. Transparency here prevents rushed mistakes and builds trust. You finish by carefully inspecting every incoming item's metadata and cross-checking screenshots. Do not accept until you're satisfied, because returns are harder later. Once both of you confirm, press accept and watch for any trade hold notifications. Make sure you understand hold duration and costs. If the trade completes, verify items in your inventory immediately. If something goes wrong, take screenshots, note timestamps, and open a support ticket. And consider using the group or seller reputation to avoid repeat problems in future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.